Hi. Dad. Hey, Dad. What are you doing?
I've been in the military for 13 years. Deployment's hard as the kids are younger. It's tough on a father, and also it doesn't get any easier as they get older.
Say we miss you.
I miss you.
Our family, grew up in sports. Sarah played basketball in college. I played basketball in college. That's how we actually met.
Swept me off my feet. The rest was history.
Dad, did you see that?
It's great to be able to say something to them, correct their route or cheer for one of them. I get to be part of them growing up.
It's the dance parties in the kitchen or watching sports on TV and getting excited when there's a win.
Ringing has definitely made being deployed and then gone for weeks a lot easier. Even if it's people making dinner on the ground, doing puzzles, coloring, whatever it is, I have a sense of security and a peace of mind that my family is safe.
It's nice that he's able to still be a part of everyday moments, and even if he misses the moments, he can go back and watch those.
They give you a sense of relief and happiness that everything is normal with you being gone.
Miss you. Can't wait for you to be home.